last chapter goes into top trends for integrating your quality management system. What trends surprised you the most?
Some of the trends that really jumped out at me the most that are resonating and capturing the mind share of manufacturers is, number one, driving machine integration around quality. And so, historically and typically you think about machine integration around productivity and efficiency, but now it's bringing the what's happening at the machine layer up to the quality system and getting that information directly from the equipment, because it gives you more real-time data, more real-time analysis, the ability to make changes before something goes wrong. And so I think that one is really super interesting. Remote auditing and monitoring. And so, as not only the retailers and the OEMs, start to look at how they can drive efficiency, but also get closer to what's happening in the supply chain. They want to have more and more involvement and be able to see what's going on. And likewise, manufacturers need to be able to, source and be able to do that work from anywhere. And so this remote auditing and monitoring is really important. And that's becoming more prevalent with, cloud-based technologies and the ability to log in and access from anywhere. You think about things like, augmented reality and the ability to sort of be there on the shop floor without having to physically be there. I think that's another really big one. And I would say it's a trend that continues to grow, and it continues to be top of mind for, large scale manufacturers as well as mid-market manufacturers, which is cybersecurity and managing that cybersecurity risk, right? And so as you think about the systems you bring into your organization, as you think about that integration, it's, how do I, A, make sure that these things are cyber secure and cyber hardened, and B, I'm reducing the touch points and the exposure points, the surface area for risk. And so cybersecurity is one that is top of everybody's mind and should be top of everybody's mind.
I think that those are great points to bring up. And the one additional one I would bring up would be Foundation FMEA. I know historically we do a great job at updating some of these documents, but adding that trend and adding that tool of Foundation FMEA is going to help read across. It's going to help prevent issues from occurring in other areas. And it can be augmented and supplemented by the trends that you mentioned about before, that you're going to have these as inputs into those documents. So you can read more about these trends and more about quality in general, but you can read about these trends in Chapter 7 of the Quality Management for Dummies ebook, which is linked below. Be sure to check them out and share your feedback with us.